Okay, here we are in the last video in this module, and here we are going to be testing your marketing funnel. You're going to make sure that the funnel is working fine, to make sure that all what we have done before was done correctly. So what we are going to do here, simply we are going to be testing the marketing funnel. We're going to test all the capture pages. We're going to come to each one of the capture pages. We're going to enter the email address here. So you need to get the link for each one of the capture pages in the system. Depends on how many capture pages you have on this specific funnel that you're testing right now. You're going to get the links of the capture pages, and then you're going to enter an email here in order to test it, to make sure that you'll be redirected to the bridge page, to make sure also that this email was added to this specific list, and also to make sure that you received the first welcome message in your email. So that's all what you have to do here. Now, the first thing, in order to test the funnel, I need to use a specific email address. Any email address that you are using, maybe another email address, or maybe one of your family members' email address, in order to test the funnel. So this is the email address that I'm going to be using for testing, because I want to make sure that I'm going to receive the welcome email, which is the first message. So I got this email ready, and after that I need to log into my Leadsleap account. So you need to log into your Leadsleap account, and on the left hand side here you need to go to page builder, then page manager, and then you need to go through each one of the capture pages. For this funnel, for example, we have 4 capture pages. So I'm going to start from the first capture page, which is capture page number 1 for this specific funnel, 3HCM. In your case, maybe it's a different funnel, but this is a generic training for all the funnels that I'm creating. So I need to get the link of this first capture page. So I'm going to copy the link from here, copy the link. Then I'll open a new tab and I'll paste this link here and click on enter in order to go to this capture page. So this is the capture page, and what I have to do here, I need to opt in by entering my email address here. So I'll use this email address in order to test the funnel. So after entering the email address here, I need to click on get instant access. Wait for a few seconds. It should redirect me to the bridge page link. Now, perfect. Now this is the bridge page link here. And as you can see here, this is the headline, and here this is going to be the video, and this is the link to continue to the next step. So I'll complete the testing by clicking here to see if it is working fine, and this should redirect me to the steps page. That is perfect. Now I can see steps page here. So the funnel is working fine from the part of the steps sequence. But now I need to make sure that I receive the first welcome email in my email. So I'm going to go back to that email address that I used to sign up, and I should receive the first email. Perfect. So I have this first email here. So this is the first email. I have already got it in my inbox. Perfect. That means it's working fine. And also I received another email, which is the verification email. Action needed. Please verify. That email will be sent automatically. You don't have to add it or change anything. So if I click here, I'll confirm that I signed up for this list. So that means this capture page, or this first capture page, is working fine and it is linked with the system properly. One more thing that I need to do here is to go to the email marketing list manager. I need to make sure that this email is also added there. So now we are in the list manager. We need to check the list of this specific marketing funnel or system. And I need to go here to view subscribers, to the subscribers, and I click here. I have 1. That means 1 subscriber added, which should be my email address. Perfect. I can see my email address here. So I don't need to keep it there. So I'm going to delete it. I'm going to click here to delete, click OK. And that's it. That means this first capture page was linked properly to the list and also to the rest of the funnel. So I'm going to repeat the same process to all other capture pages of this funnel. So I need to go back to the left hand side menu here and go to page builder, then page manager. And to complete the test, I need to go through all other capture pages of this specific funnel. So I have already tested capture page number 1. That means working fine. Now I'll continue to the next capture page, which is capture page number 2. I'm going to go copy the link. I'm going to open a new tab. I'll paste the link here and click enter. Perfect. Now this is our second capture page. So I'm going to repeat the same process with all other capture pages. I've already tested capture page number 1. I'll test capture page number 2. I'll come here, get the link, open a new tab, then subscribe using the same email address that I used before. Make sure that you are redirected to the bridge page, and then when you click on that button on the bridge page, you're redirected to the steps page. Then check the email address. If you receive the first welcome email, then that's perfect. Then you can go there to your list manager to check that email address, and you can delete it because this is just for testing. And you repeat the same process for all capture pages. I have 4 capture pages here. So I'm going to do it also for capture page number 2, capture page number 3, and capture page number 4. And that's it. Once you test all the capture pages in the system and they are all working fine, then you'll be able to scroll down and click on the big button that you see there in order to continue to the next module, which is going to be module number 3.